Hello, Ken here from Ultralight Camera Solutions, and this video will be part 6 of our underwater camera kits. This one's going to be specifically on our sleds, which is a totally new product. We've actually had these out for maybe a year. We've got a few people in different countries using them, and everybody's raving about them. So anyways, just to give you a real quick thing about how they came about, we have our Norwegian brand ambassador who needed something to hold his larger Nauticam camera with a dome port, and what we ended up coming up with is this sled, and he loves it. So far everybody loves it. The nice thing about this is you can have the camera sit on these rails and the dome port is totally protected. It's not touching anything. You don't have to worry about it, and you can balance it perfectly because the way that it's set up with these rails, you can add floats, you can add weights, all kinds of different things to it. So it's really a cool product, and this is what we have right now. So this uses our tri-tray, which fits pretty much any camera that I know of. I haven't found anything that it doesn't fit yet. It uses our TR-SLDL tray, but it's using it as rails for the bottom, and our TR-HB brackets. So these brackets can be slid out or in, and then as far as this goes, you can mount the rails at different levels if you want, or if you have other things that you want to bolt to it. Like I said, you can mount so much to it. You could take a ball mount and mount it to any of these holes. Right now we're almost done with a sliding weight system that will slide inside these rails right here to get it perfectly balanced, and it's really a cool product. What we have done to add to this so far is we have our monitor bracket kit, which does not come with the monitor or this clamp, but it comes with this bracket, and it's got a long slot on it, and you can take this and just twist this, move it around where you want, and with this big knob you can easily do it with gloves. And this actually will bolt right under the camera, the tray, so you can have your camera there, you can move this out, you can have your monitor with a clamp. Everything's super solid and it works out really good. We also have this in a kit with smaller rails using our TRDM2 trays, which would be what I have here. So these smaller trays, the smaller rails, are pretty cool. This is my concept camera, so as you can see it's got a lot of stuff on it, but I'm trying to make it work, and it does. So far it's worked out really well. I've had to make brackets for the handles, which we don't have anything like that yet, but it's going to be coming. So this is a whole new way of looking at things instead of the traditional flat bar with your camera on there and everything seems to like rock back and forth. This is nice. I can set it down on a boat deck. It can be rocking. It's not going nowhere. The dome port is fully protected right here from hitting anything. And it's just got so many uses that it's pretty incredible. So as you can tell, I really like it. So other than that, happy diving, happy filming, have a great day, and if you have any questions, please let us know. We're here to help.